Number 5. Realizing the promise of gene therapy for brain disorders.
Gene therapy holds enormous promise for serious and currently untreatable diseases, including those of the brain and spinal cord. A commonly used vehicle for gene therapy, a virus called AAV, cannot readily access the brain when injected into the bloodstream. That's because it cannot penetrate a major biological roadblock, the blood-brain barrier. While there are alternative routes to the brain, they are invasive, costly, and not feasible for reaching deep regions. Now, researchers are engineering new versions of AAV that can cross the blood-brain barrier. Using various molecular strategies, a handful of teams have modified the protein shell that surrounds the virus, so it can gain entry and become broadly distributed within the brain. These modified viral vectors are now under development and could begin clinical testing within a few years. Scientists are also tinkering with the inner machinery of AAV to sidestep potential toxicities. For example, a specialized group of neurons called the dorsal root ganglia can degenerate following treatment with AAV-based gene therapy in animal models. To minimize the possible risks to humans, researchers are now working to tweak the viruses so they are less active in these neurons. These molecular feats represent a significant step forward for the gene therapy field. With a safe, effective method for accessing the brain, researchers will be able to devise gene therapies for a range of neurological conditions, including neurodegenerative diseases, cancers, and devastating rare diseases that lack any treatment.